Hutchison, and this is my application deployment 1 week 3 video. And so I just want to touch base and talk about my project. I was able to finish everything on this Milestone 1 and get all the, or Milestone 2, I'm sorry, and get all the projects I needed done. So I'll just do a walkthrough of what was finished. So we'll run this so you can see. So the app's called House Boss, and it's basically an app to just have home reminders. And so you can see that it's trying to get our location because I made the weather widget based on your location. So I figured that would help if you had to mow the lawn today, and well, you need to know what the weather is today. So we'll go ahead and allow it. And so I'm in Copper's Cove and it's 69 degrees right now. So one thing I didn't get to do from last week was get it to save. So now it'll save, and when you close out the app and pull it up, it's still there. And you can also edit. So as far as to make this sample reminders with an S, you can see that it saved it. So I got that working. I got the weather widget working. So what I did was being able to tweet and send an email. And so you would hit tweet. And so I have it pre-populating with their reminder. And it also asks you to set up your Twitter account with this so that it can work. And so we'll log in. And one thing about this is it doesn't take you back to the app, so you kind of have to go there. And well, kind of midway it canceled it out. So okay, so it has it pre-populating with what the reminder is with I have to, and then there's your reminder on May 24th at 6:23 p.m. and it's got a hash of House Boss, which is what this is. So if I send it, it will tell me that the tweet was successfully posted. And if I tweet and cancel, it tells me my post was canceled. And so we can actually go here and refresh this. And we'll see that the tweet actually went through. And there it is. So it says, I have to change my air filter on May 24th, pound House Boss. So I'm just going to delete that real quick. I'm going back to the app. One thing I have to work on is, that if you were to move it, it kind of does its highlight thing even though I disabled it. So the other one was email. So I'm able to send an email, and it's the same concept. I have to, and then you put the reminder and then the date and the time. And so we'll send it to my, it won't actually send it because this is a simulator, but send, and it'll tell you that it was successfully sent. And I did put a if I hit cancel and we delete the draft, email's canceled. If I try to tweet and I cancel, it'll tell me my post is canceled. So that way that they would know that nothing was actually sent. So next up would be working on some of the other features and all that. I didn't have any hard times other than getting the geolocation to work. And with the Twitter, I'm using the social framework instead of the Twitter framework. So I did have to work some other things out and get the account framework in there and get that working. So that's all I have for now. Thanks a lot, guys.